This video will demonstrate how you can actually create a new matter in uLawPractice software within seconds. Now, to create a new matter, you would click on the Add to Matter button, click the client that you're actually interested, and you're ready to go. The only mandatory field that you require is the matter title. Say you're working on an impaired driving case. You just enter that. If you're right in front of the client, you can enter the first event that you're actually having with the client, maybe the initial meeting client. Notice that the dictionary is smart to learn all your previously entered events, so you can just choose from that. If the fee rate is the same as the default that you have set, you don't have to change that, or you can actually change it to something more relevant for this matter, and you can save. Once you have saved, you're ready to actually start generating documents right in front of the clients, like retainer receipts, client ID verifications, retainer letter, authorization letters. So as an example, if you would accept, say, $500 of initial retainer amount, at this very moment, you're ready to start generating retainer receipts. So if it was paid by check, you just click it, you click on the download, you would see right now the receipt would be downloaded. Here you go. A duplicate is created. All you need to do is just print, sign, and give it to the customer right away. Another thing that you can quickly generate while you have the customer in front of you is retainer letter. You just click on retainer letter, click on the date, and as soon as you click on download, you will have the retainer letter. The retainer letter will have all the essential elements like the hourly rate, the charges. It will even have the retainer amount that you just accepted from the client. All you need to do is just sign, and you're ready to give it to the customer. So you notice that within seconds of creating the matter, we were able to start producing a lot of documents right in front of the customer, get him signed, and be done with. Another useful document is client ID verification. You may want to accept a passport or a driver's license. It'll have all his information, and you can just get it printed right away. Say you have a client, who wants to do a property acquisition matter, and you remember that you've done this matter before for someone else, like say Andy. Now, all you need to do is, if you want to create the same matter for someone else, you click on the action button, click on copy matter, choose the new client, say Greg Smith in this case, pick the start date when you actually would like to start this matter, and click on copy matter. As soon as you would do that, you would see that now Greg would have that same matter, all the dates adjusted based on your start date, all the disbursement copied, but all the values nullified, and you're actually ready to start time docketing right from here. So in seconds, you can start off from an existing matter template, and you can arrive at a new matter by just clicking on the action copy matter button. So to summarize, you can create a matter by just clicking on the add to matter button, click the client, or you can actually create it from an existing template by just clicking on action copy matter button and then choosing the client that you actually want the matter to be copied against.